Sterre, the Dutch international. They're good. So good pace from Tara Norris tonight. I think at some stages during the tournament the rhythm wasn't quite.
Riding that boundary.
Gallus chops away, gets 4 because there is no fine leg. Lena Solomon has got the job of picking up from the boundary.
Here it is, just rolls her wrists over it. Gets it past the ring, the fielder. It's 4 runs. Fast outfield. 1.72.
But this one doesn't swing back, and that gives the right-handers the opportunity, with a bit of room to move, one of those two. And you can just swing the bat through there. Big Callis likes to play square of the wicket. Big backlift and clubs it.
Right in her zone there, Sterre.
More aggression. And she loves the pull shot. That is just a terrific piece of execution.
Norris just feeding her strengths here. Callis. There it is, too short. Very manageable bounce as well. She licks her lips and puts that away.
And because she picks the bat up so high, she can come down on the ball and hit it hard and down. That was flat.
Normally is the minimum requirement. He just gets a little nick on that one and it runs away to the boundary. It won't be stopped. Despite the great effort there by Roberta Avery, she's not going to die wondering. But Sterre Callis just going under 100, as I was saying, but when you're batting with someone like Sophie Devine, you know, she's certainly making up for it with, you know, she's going up 143 in a strike rate. So it's a really nice, safe partnership these two have really started to put together.
Splits the gap. Henrietta and Shimway's first ball goes for 4, and nice little break of the shackles for Callis as she picks up another boundary.
Just a little off-pace delivery there from Shimway. She's been fantastic as well. Her economy rate throughout this tournament, 4.83. One of the best in the tournament, as well as picking up a couple of wickets. So a little unusual. She's giving the Falcons victory.
Catches the call and catches the results. Ishimway at mid-off. Does what's required. Romana gets in the book. She's having quite the night in the second semi-final. And the degree of difficulty rises yet further for the Tornadoes. Losing their set opener, Sterre Callis, for 34. A soft dismissal.
Enticed the batter with generous flight, and Henrietta Ishimwe takes a regulation catch at mid-off. Heather Knight does a bit of a gesture. The Tornadoes are 99 for 3, and Callis departs for 34.